My name is Laura Ivan, and I teach in the agriculture cluster. My pathway is the animal science pathway. So what that looks like for a student is they're going to take principles of ag first, primarily their freshman year, and this is where they're going to learn a little bit about a lot. Anything from ag technology, livestock, horses, biosecurity, a lot of things in a little amount of time. From there, the students are going to go to small animal management in the fall, and then equine science, so horse science, in the spring. They have an opportunity in equine science to earn a certification. So let's say maybe blood and guts aren't their thing, they can go ahead and move to livestock after that. So livestock production is where they're going to learn all about livestock. They're going to learn how to grade meat. They're going to learn about breeding things. And then the next one, let's say that they are into the medical stuff and they want to become a vet. They're going to go into vet medical applications, our vet med class. In this class, they're going to learn some hands-on skills. They're going to learn how to bandage. They're going to learn how to give a shot. They're going to learn how to take blood, lots of different skills. They're going to learn animal behavior. I'm very big into animal behavior, as if you can be able to understand how an animal is going to react, then you can stay more safe. So from there, they have the opportunity to go to practicum. And practicum is where students are going to go get a job. They're going to go to an internship, 4th and 5th period, and this is where they're going to go get hours. Their certification that they can earn is called a CVA, a Certified Vet Assistant. So this is real world applications. They're going to get a job. They're going to be able to sit for their Certified Vet Assistant certification after that. Let's say we need a 4th science class. We love animals, but we're just not necessarily into the blood and guts of a vet clinic. We can take advanced animal science. In advanced animal science, students will learn more of the scientific-based stuff, more theory. We'll do experiments, things like that. More animal behavior, genetics, parasites, not just identifying parasites, but what makes that parasite thrive. So the average salary in Texas for a vet would be $100,000 to about $150,000. So you're making pretty good money if you become a vet.
Hi, my name is Kate Gibbons. I go to Braswell High School. I'm an FFA, and today I'll be telling you a little bit about it. So FFA stands for Future Farmers of America. It's an organization where a bunch of kids from different states and schools, not just Denton County, but everywhere, come together, and you can either show animals, or we have floral tables, or vet med. You can join a team. We also have CDEs and LDEs. CDE stands for Career Development Events, and LDE stands for Leadership Development Events, which helps you form just as you go through high school. This is my show steer, Cash, right here. He's a market steer, and I show him. So you basically get an animal when they're a couple months old, and you raise them to be about a year or so, and you can show them either for breeding, which is a heifer, or in my case, I show a steer, which is for market. So I keep him for a year, and he's gonna go off to produce meat and feed families. So y'all should join FFA.
This is the Bengal Spotlight.